Welcome to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, where we empower our community through financial literacy and expert tax support. I'm Mannoe, and today we're breaking down IRS Schedule E, what it is, who needs it, and how it affects your tax return. If you have rental income, royalties, or partnership earnings, this form is for you. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Schedule E? It's a crucial part of your personal tax return, specifically Form 1040, used to report supplemental income and losses. This includes income from rental real estate, royalties, partnerships, S corporations, and even estates and trusts. By using this form, you can claim deductions for expenses like mortgage interest, property management fees, repairs, and depreciation, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. If you own rental property, Schedule E is your go-to form. Here, you'll report your gross rental income, along with your operating expenses, which can include repairs, insurance, and advertising. You'll also account for depreciation and any passive activity losses. If you're looking for guidance on how to track and report your rental income and expenses accurately, there are great resources available that walk you through the process, step by step. Now, if you earn income from a partnership or an S corporation, you'll also use Schedule E to report what's shown on your K-1 form. Additionally, if you receive royalties from books, music, or oil and gas leases, this is where you'll report that income as well. There are detailed guides that provide a line-by-line walkthrough of Schedule E, making it easier to understand how to report these various income sources. It's also important to note the difference between Schedule C and Schedule E. If you provide significant services with your rental like daily cleaning or concierge services, you might need to file Schedule C instead. There are helpful resources that can assist you in deciding which form fits your situation best based on the services you offer. If this sounds complex, don't worry, we've got you covered. At Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in helping our community navigate tax forms like Schedule E with confidence and clarity. If you need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to empower our community one tax return at a time. If you found this information helpful, consider following us for more insights and tips. We appreciate your support.